That's the shit that fires me up. That's the hunt. That's the scariest shit and the most uncertain in my life right now, is I feel I'm stepping into an unknown territory. So much feminine in my life. The partners that I want, who's my workout buddy? And who is actually somebody I consider a committed, dynamic in relationship? Who do I need to talk to in this other feminine actor, right? I'm in a space where it's been the least egoic. I would say anything I built up before would be on some fantasy. What did I say? If you're following an ideal, you have no fucking idea what you're doing. And I'm at a point right now, I know I don't know what I'm doing, and I still see the building blocks of where all this feminine energy can fit into my life. Business partners, relationships, like we're even talking about in this conversation, the bubble I created was the one, and the one has never been a conversation for me. I told my wife that I don't believe in marriage because you can only marry one. I've never played my game or been myself. And it's scary, it's uncertain, it's turning back from the best results I could expect. Mastered the game of happily ever after. You know, getting that one, getting married, having the family, kids, perfect, flawless victory. And it wasn't what the fuck I actually wanted. I now know. And it's some scary shit to go and rebuild. I could be left alone. She could remarry. I could not find anybody who's up to do this. And the data, just my knowledge of the fucking energies, this is what there is for me to lead and create. You know, when I hear you talk about the hunt, that's what fucking drives me and scares me at the same fucking time. This is what I feel I have to do. I can't be ignorant. Even if I wanted to be with my wife, I can't let go of what I don't know the answer to. There would be a FOMO of, I didn't create this. Not settling, but I accepted for this when I know there was more that I wanted. And all I have to do is build it, ask for it, create it. I got to take that on. Personally, that's the game I'm in.